Hi, my name is Claire Shipley, and this is the game I created using Bamboozle.com. So I currently teach second grade, and we are working on two-digit addition right now with and without regrouping. Now, I know my students need some more practice with regrouping and two-digit addition, so I use this website to create a game. And so there's a few different options. Now, what I first had to do was create the game, obviously. So if we just hit the edit button, we can go back to what it looked like when I was creating the game. So there is a slot to type in the question, the answer, and then you can set a point value. I set all of my questions to 10 points. And then you can even add an image to your question or your answer. I chose to add images to my questions. So you'll see, for example, here it says Kira owns 47 different hair bows. And so I included an image of a hair bow to help my students kind of visualize what the word problem was asking them. So once I did that, I saved all 6 questions. Okay, and then if we go back, there's a few different options. Now, you can either hit slideshow, and this kind of presents itself like Google Slides or like a PowerPoint, so the teacher could lead the class through these word problems, going through each one. So this is less of a game and more like a lesson. Or you could press the study button and have students go through the questions, answer them, click on the magnifying glass, and if they got it wrong, you would press oops and the question would disappear, or if they got it right, they would collect those points, and then you see their percentage of the questions they're getting right. So you know if they're ready to move on or if they need some more review. Now, in my lesson, I use this more as a game. So I would hit the play button, and then in my game, I split my class into 2 teams. So I would make sure 2 is highlighted for teams. And then I would hit the classic option for the game. Now what would happen is one student from each team would come up and click on whichever number they'd like on the smartboard. So let's say team 1 clicked on number 3. This is now team 1's question. The whole class, though, would work on their whiteboards to answer this question. And then if team 1 gets it right, they will earn the points. You can see that there. Or if they got it wrong, I gave the option in my lesson for team 2 to steal. So next would be team 2's opportunity to pick a question, check, let's say they got that one wrong. They did not get the points for that question. So my class could play this game in teams and go through each question, and there would ultimately be a winner at the end.